So ayan na nga ang chika. For this video, i-share ko sa inyo ang isang fusion dish between okoy at okonomiyaki. At tatawagin natin tong okoy no miyaki. And by the way, this is not authentic. I'm just sharing my version of this dish. So first things first, mag-mix tayo ng small pack ng oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon liquid seasoning. Mix well and set aside. In a pan, magisa ng sibuyas at ground pork and set aside. For the batter, maglagay ng 1 cup flour, small pack ng powdered seasoning, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt and pepper, 1 egg, a tablespoon ng liquid seasoning, and 1/4 cup ng broth or water. Mix well bago ilagay ang gulay at ang ating ground pork na nilagyan ko ng 2 tablespoon tomato sauce pang dagdag lasa at kulay. Since wala tayong non-stick pan, hinulma ko na muna